Greetings and welcome to the Dramanon channel. Imagine your sketchbook is a portal. You draw a wolf, but what if that wolf existed in another universe? In this universe, it's a spacefaring explorer with a jetpack. In another, it's a haunted ghost wolf guarding an ancient structure. In yet another, it's the villain in your story. This episode is about what happens when we remix our own work and stretch our imaginations across alternate realities. A while back, I found this old sketch I did of a robot. Honestly, it was kind of basic. Boxy arms, clunky legs, the usual. But I kept looking at it wondering what else could this robot be? So I challenged myself. Version 1, I turned it into a futuristic city patrolling enforcer. Then version 2, the same robot but corrupted and spooky with wires like veins, flickering eyes, and very creepy. For version 3, I decided this would be the villain of this alternate universe. A nice reactor core, an engine, laser beams, microchips, the whole thing, propellers, whatever I could throw in there I thought would look really cool. That one drawing turned into 3 completely different stories, and honestly, I love them way more than the original. For digital art applications like Photoshop, we're always duplicating layers, hitting save as, or using some form of version control. That's the multiverse in action for us. You may have seen the screenshots of designer desktops and they're covered in saved alternate versions of Photoshop files. Sometimes clients change their minds, or sometimes you have a better idea, or you think you have a better idea, and you make different alternative versions. Every version has the same DNA, but you push it in a new direction. That's why game designers build alternate skins, why writers draft different endings, why concept artists explore 12 versions of a character before picking one. You don't have to get it perfect the first time. You get to remix it into something new. And this is a creative superpower, whether it's digital or analog. Here's your Creative Spark Challenge. Find an old drawing you want to explore. Anything works, yesterday, last week, or 5 years ago. Reimagine that drawing in 3 alternate universes. One version could be a sci-fi adventure, another could be a spooky or haunted world, or even your hero or your villain. You can change these settings all you want. Just pick 3. Change colors, shapes, anything. It's your creativity. Add a sentence or a story if you want to expand on your idea. And don't worry about perfection. These are explorations. Your sketchbook is bigger than you think. Every idea you create has potential to become something totally new, just by asking, what if? I'll be back soon with another episode. Until then, keep sketching, keep imagining, and never forget, your creativity has infinite timelines. Thank you for watching.